Making your own compost is a fantastic thing. Liquid fertilizer. Liquid fertilizer, natural liquid fertilizer has made this fertilizer is over a year, is almost a year old, and we had weed from the garden, we had beans also in the compost, and this is wonderful. It smells really bad, but guess what? You're gonna see the result from this crop, because this whole crop that we're gonna be planting down here, you're gonna see for yourself how this compost has worked. So let's go down to the garden. Let's get some of this compost. And let's go down to the garden. And let's get... Now guys, this is our cabbage. We have cabbage, we have broccoli, and we have onion, scallion onion, ginger, and potato. So I'm just going to show you what I'm going to be using. The beans ain't marinated as yet, but guess what? It's going to be staying right in this soil and breaks down. So what we're doing, we're just feeding our plants them, guys. We're not adding no type of synthetic to our fertilizer, to our plant at all. Everything is natural. We also use the rainwater to make our liquid compost or our liquid fertilizer. And this is how we do it, guys. This is how we save money. You could throw it directly on the plant and it wouldn't do anything to the plant. So guys, this is just a short video to show you guys the garden season is becoming real strong in a few weeks, and we're gonna show you the result from our liquid compost. Peace and love.